Hey, what's shaking, everybody? Welcome back to another installment of Jay's Straight Up Reviews and More. All right, so we have two kind of compact speakers today. This is the Soundcore Select 2 on the right. Mr. Hand's helping me out there. That recently came out. Right now, that's going for, after coupons on Amazon, it's 36 and change right now. And on the left, over here, we have the Stage GoFree, which is going for 37 and change. So these are within like a buck apart, so they're really the same price. The Soundcore, they have an app that you can adjust your EQ and use a custom EQ, whereas the Stage GoFree doesn't have that. It has 3 built-in EQs into the speaker itself. So we're going to use the normal or default EQ on it. And on the Soundcore over here, we're going to use the Soundcore Signature, which is the default EQ for that one. So these two speakers, like I said, very similar price, similar size. The Stage GoFree is a little bit taller, but they're both handheld, compact style speakers. So we're going to run this, start at 33%. So put your headphones on if you have them, preferably. And Mr. Hand will point out the speaker, but the Stage GoFree has light modes. So you'll kind of be able to see that bar going across the bottom when it's playing. You'll see the lights flashing. All right, here we go. 33%. Let's bump the Select 2S up to 40%. Stage GoFree 33. Change track. Let's go up to 60% on the Select 2S. Stage GoFree, 60%.
You're the reason why. Hiding by the baby, losing my mind. Don't try to save me. I feel alive.
Bump the Soundcore up to 73%. Stage GoFree 60%.
But you wouldn't want me any less. Cause you know how wild it could get. Emotional
73%. Take it up to 80. Stage GoFree up to 80. select 2S to 100%, max volume. GoFree at 80. 100%, max volume.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take
100%.
give it 100, don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing, I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror, friend of me. It's not working out, baby, it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your
60%.
mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time.
2S at 80.
Find your identity, it's mind over everything.
Change track. Still 80% on the Soundcore.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
60%. %. Change track. Still 80% on the Soundcore. %. Let's take it up to 73%. Take the Soundcore up to max volume. Hit it. 73%. 100% max volume. Max volume. Kind of struggling there a little bit. Okay, so here's the deal. I think overall sound, the Stage GoFree is a little cleaner, has a little deeper sound to it. It's louder at all volumes. Up to max volume is still louder. But when you get it up to max volume or 80% or higher with some bass heavy tracks, you can get some distortion. It has a rear passive radiator. So it has a bass EQ, which this is just a normal. If you use the bass EQ, it can cause some real issues with distortion and some just sounding like it's just not sounding good. So it can't handle the bass, especially the bass EQ. But a normal EQ, it does all right, except when you get in the max volume level, it does upper volume level, it does have some issues with some distortion. You can kind of hear some on that one couple tracks back. The Soundcore, you can adjust the EQ obviously because it has the app support with custom EQ, so you can tailor the sound to make it sound a little cleaner, a little more open. But overall, it just has a little bit darker sound to it. It's not quite as loud. When you get up to max volume, you heard with bass, it really loses a lot of bass and kind of loses its composure just a little bit. So overall, both of these are good speakers. They're just not great if you try to really push them hard. So as far as volume level go, these are just handheld speakers. But the Stage GoFree really actually has a pretty nice sound to it at lower volumes. I'll shut up for a second and listen. So see, even at lower volumes, it has a nice full sound to it. Has a pretty open sound. So to compete with the Soundcore, I think is saying something, because the Soundcore is a good speaker in itself. The Stage GoFree. So both of these very similar price, like I said initially. So tell me what you guys think of this competition here, and be sure to hit the notification bell so you'll know when new videos drop. I think either one of these are good choices, but I kind of lean more towards the Stage GoFree, and it does kind of have a cooler, it kind of has that look like the Marshall speakers do, because it has like a kind of a metal mesh looking grill. It looks a little classier. It has lights on it. I'm not wild about Soundcore, how they're doing the huge logo and then the two-tone stuff, but it is what it is. So again, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so. Do it today. It's free. It'll cost you nothing, and I guarantee you this channel is always worth every bit of nothing, or Mr. Hand will give you your money back. Oh yeah. All right, we'll catch you guys at the next one. Everybody stay safe, and everybody on the East Coast that's going through troubles, we're with you. We're praying for you. That's a wrap.